Vehicle reassembling videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. And look at this Instagram page, 11.7 thousand followers built purely by posting this one exact style of content. And two of their videos have already crossed 2.7 million and 1.6 million views, respectively. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Start by opening ChatGPT and asking it for some famous bike names. Hit enter and within seconds it will serve you a solid list of well-known and visually exciting bike names to choose from. Pick the one that feels the most striking and keep it ready. Now head to the description below and open the master prompt I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt from start to finish and head straight over to Google Flow. Select the video option from the top. Choose Omni Flash as your video model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt directly into the field. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen bike name and paste it inside the designated vehicle section within the prompt. And here is a small detail that adds a really nice personal touch. You can also enter your own channel or page name inside the prompt as a branding text overlay on your video. Once everything is in place, hit generate, and within just a few seconds, Google Flow will deliver your complete vehicle reassembling video right in front of you. Now let's watch the result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.